Diabetic-friendly fruits to manage your blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus (DM), commonly referred to as diabetes, is a chronic disorder. It occurs when the pancreas does not secrete enough insulin or when the cells of the body become resistant to insulin. In either case, the blood sugar cannot get into the cells for storage, which then leads to serious complications. Diabetes, perhaps more than any other disease, is strongly associated with the Western diet as it was uncommon in cultures consuming a primitive diet. Here are some diabetic-friendly fruits which helps to control your blood sugar. Pomegranate. Pomegranates contain the richest combinations of antioxidants of all fruits and can protect you from free radicals and chronic diseases. So, feel free to enjoy these red peels with such powerful phytochemical compounds. Grapes. Grapes modulates the blood glucose response by affecting how the body secretes and uses insulin. Hence, grapes are a good choice keeping its nutritional profile in mind, resveratrol and phytochemical found in grapes. Apples. Diabetics should feel free to eat apples. In fact, apples along with blueberries and grapes are especially beneficial for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Strawberries. Strawberries have low glycemic index, hence it's slowly released in the bloodstream as glucose. It can also improve immunity, has cancer-fighting ability, and increases metabolism, which in turn helps you lose weight. Guava. It is a great snack for diabetics with a low glycemic index. Guava is very rich in dietary fiber that helps ease constipation and can lower the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Watermelon. The high potassium content makes watermelon one of the best fruits for proper kidney functioning, which in turn keep your blood uric acid levels on the lower side. This prevents kidney damage, especially if you are diabetic. Also, diabetes can cause nerve damage, but lycopene found in watermelon really helps reduce the effect. Papaya. Natural antioxidants within the fruit make papaya a great choice for diabetics. Diabetics are prone to many elements, including heart to nerve damage caused by irregular blood sugar levels. A diet incorporating papaya can obstruct future cell damage for a better and longer lifespan. Oranges. The flavonols and phenolic acid found in oranges have shown tremendous protective abilities, especially in diabetics. When it comes to glucose metabolism, citrus fruits not only slow glucose uptake but also inhibit the movement or transport of glucose through the intestines and liver. Being a diabetic should never stop you from eating fruits. The key is to eat a wide variety to keep your body toxin-free, benefiting from their important role in detoxification. Say goodbye to diabetes forever with 2 ingredients, natural home remedy. Diabetes is a common health condition that appears when the body is no longer capable of making the needed amount of insulin or cannot use it in an effective way. Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin, which enables the glucose takes from the food to go to the cells in the body, and there it is transformed into energy used by different tissues and organs in order to perform their job. But on the other hand, people who are diagnosed with diabetes can also live their life without any complications. And the reasons for this are good treatments that can improve your life. But not everyone can afford good medical treatments. And for some of them, it is quite irritating to have to inject insulin every single day. Here you can get natural ways for treating diabetes, and you will discover the most efficient, 100% natural, safe, and costless treatment for diabetes. You will only need 2 basic ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Ingredients: 1 lemon, celery roots, cup of water. Preparation: first, wash the celery roots. Cut it into small pieces. Add celery pieces into mixer and add water. Add lemon juice and blend the mixture. Strain the juice into a glass. Now the diabetes-free juice is ready to drink. If you feel bitter, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetened taste. This is the recipe for this amazing syrup for treating diabetes. Consumption: it is recommended to drink every day about 30 minutes before having breakfast. Follow this process for 1 week and check the blood sugar levels. Continue this juice daily to say goodbye to diabetes forever.